Hello, everybody. So today I received this question: verifying an alien dictionary. In an alien language, surprisingly, they also use English lowercase letters, but possibly in a different order. The order of the alphabet is some permutation of lowercase letters. Given a sequence of words written in an alien language and the order of the alphabet, return true if and only if the given words are sorted lexicographically in this alien language. I see. Okay. So let me start with the clarification of this question. So in this question, I'm given the words, which is a list of strings, and also I'm given order, which seems like the string. So there should this string or the string has should have exactly 26 characters A to Z in English lowercase, and I will return the boolean if words are sorted lexicographically in ascending order. Okay, so this is the interface, and as a constraint, as I said, order should have exactly 26 characters. A to Z. Okay. For words, I'm just wondering if it includes at least one word or it can be an empty array. And I can find that it should have at least one element. Okay, good. Okay, let me take a look at some examples. Oh, by the way, each word is also, consist of A to Z. Yeah, yes. So good. So I don't have to take care of the character which doesn't appear in the given order string. Okay, so let me take a look at examples. So let's say everything only of ABC here. The order is BAC. In this case, if words are a let's say this is A, B, and C, I have to return false because this is not sorted. Yep. If it is, BAC, I have to return true because it already is sorted. And obviously, if this is B and AB, yes, it should be true. CBA, yeah, it should be true. Yeah. Good. So now I've almost understood what I should do. So my brute force approach is replace each order chair with, in this case, 0, 1, 2. So if I replace these words with that, this should be, A should be the tuple of 0, B should be tuple 1, BB should be tuple 0, 0, CBA should be tuple of 2, 0, 1. Yeah. And I have to sort it. Let's say BB is converted into 0, 0, AB to 1, 2, and CBA to 2, 0, 1. And then convert each word to tuple. Okay. So then I confirm this is sorted. How can I check it? So I think the brute force approach is sorted and compare with original one. And if they're the same, I can say this is already sorted. But it takes n log n time, assuming that there are n words. That's not efficient. So maybe what I can do is instead write the helper function if I mean as the only two tuples as the argument and compare and return true if they are sorted already. Maybe I can use the Python's comparison operator natively, but implementing it is also very easy. Okay, so for the optimized approach, I said adjacent. Okay. So in this way, I can say so converting each character to each integer. I mean, definitely I need to create some mapping. Char to int. Yeah. So this map creation takes all of 26 because there are 26 characters. For line 27, this should take exactly number of characters, all the characters included in the words list. And in line 28, it takes the same. Sorry. I'm saying the same thing here. So line 26 takes exactly total number of characters in the given words list. And then line 27, yep, it takes the same. In total, I have to check each, string. And I have to take a look at it twice because when I check the adjacent pair, each character is checked twice. So in total, the time complexity should be n number of all chars. Space complexity, the same because actually it isn't the same. I don't have to convert all the words into list of words. I can do it here. Cool. Yeah. Okay, so in total, this should take max length of words. This much. Okay. That being said, I will start my implementation. So char to int. Maybe char to order. Yeah, so now I've built the child order mapping. From here, I will compare each adjacent, word. So and I will compare words I and words I plus 1 here. So I write the helper method. This is the order tuple 1 and order tuple 2. I mean, sorry, word tuple 1 and word tuple 2. Yeah, and each element in the tuple should be the order integer. Okay, so I will do this, but here I compare. So maybe I can do it in this way. Now I can compare this and this. And if this word sign and word sign plus 1 is not sorted, I return false immediately. Otherwise, after the iteration, I should return true. Okay. So now we do this helper method. So all the tuple 1 should be and all the tuple 2 looks like this. And now we compare. So let's say I'm comparing 1, 2, and 2, 1. So basically, I will take a look from the first, index 0, because it's more important in the order. So I can say and the case I have to take care is if they're same until the end. Okay, so number 1, tuple 1 is longer or tuple 2 is longer. So if tuple 1 is longer and the common part are the same, this should return false. But in this case, this should return true. So what I'm thinking is checking the common part, in this case, only 2 character suffix. And if they're the same, I check the ranks and return the result accordingly. So let me write it down. In this case, I return false. Otherwise, here, I check that the common part, common prefix are the same. So here I return this. Because if order tuple 2 is longer, this is the line 54 case, I should return true. But if order tuple number 1 is longer, I should return false. And if there's the same ranks, 1, 2, and 1, 2, I return true because it's still sorted. Good. Okay, so I've finished the implementation. So let me try run my code. So firstly, I will go with very simple example, and I will check this with um, smaller one. I mean order with two chairs first. And what I'd really want to check is these things, BA and something more. In this case, which comes first. Yeah. And also if the same chair is included, sorry, same word is included, it should return true. So I expect this return true. And this should return false. This should return true. So this is edge cases I have to take care. And obviously it's the most ordinary case like this. In this case, I should return false. And one more happy case. I should return true. Okay, so let me check this one and also in line 36, this one. Yeah. So firstly, chart order should be, oh, what is order here? Yeah, correct. So, oh no, order. I'm overwriting it. Order integer is the order index. So firstly, 0b. So b0, then a1. So this is the chart order. Okay, so in line 50, then length of the words is 2 minus 1 is 1. So I compare 0, 1 only. Yeah. Because I is range 1, which means that I can be only 0. Okay. The word 0 was I plus 1, which is in this case BAC and BA. So these are passed to the helper method and I will check it. I will to check this is sorted. So now order tuple 1 becomes, because this is BAC. No. BA. Let's say B. Because this is B, so BAB, so B 0, 1, 0. And here this should convert it into BA, so 0, 1. I compare. So meaning of the length, two lengths is 2. So I check I is 0 and 1. Yep. And actually what I found is this part should be order tuple 0, which is yeah, should be erased. So 0, 0, they're the same, so I don't return true. I don't return anything. So I go to next I, which is I. And yeah, they're the same again, because 1 and 1. I go to line 72, and ranks of the tuple, or the tuple 1 is 3, or the tuple 2 is ranks 2. So this isn't true. So I return false. So here in line 53, this is evaluated not false, which is true. So I return true here in line 54. Okay. So I return false. So I pass this case. Good. Okay. Seems like I covered most of the lines. So let me, submit my code. Oh, I missed something. HL, definitely this should be, sorted. Seems like this is, yeah, sorted. So, oh, okay. I made a mistake here. So once I check the earlier character is, I mean, as long as earlier character are not the same, the order is decided immediately. So here, I can say, in this case, I should return true immediately. And if there's the same, or the tuple 1 I or the tuple 2 I are the same, this means that it's a tie, so I have to take a look at the next character. Okay, let me run it again. Good, accepted. And accepted. Great. Okay, so let me quickly wrap up. So today, as of the question, verifying an error in dictionary. Yeah, obviously this was an easy question. So in this question, given the order of the alphabet, custom order of the alphabet, I checked if the given word list is sorted. So in my solution, I firstly created the mapping from character to order index. Then I took a look at if this word list is sorted. So I took a look at every adjacent pair, and if the pair is sorted and all of the pairs are sorted, then I can say this list is sorted. So in the helper function, I checked if two words are sorted or not. So and I made one bug. So when I compare two strings order, dictionary order, if characters that are not the same for the earlier position, the result of the order is immediately determined. And if two chairs are the same, it's a tie. So in that case only, I have to take a look at next, maybe second or third characters. Yeah. So that's the bug I included and then noticed and fixed. Okay, that being said, I finished my today's coding practice. Thank you so much. Bye.